How are you? I want this kutengesa. I'm good. Do we rejoice? Rejoice. Okay. Was just passing, but then I saw you. I just thought I could come and approach you. It's me, my titi, for Baba Titi.
What's this?
My titi for Baba Titi. Then I didn't know bling.
Move. He told me, yeah.
No. That's what it does. Let me actually approach her and talk to her. I might know that you love my husband so much. Move. I know he has got so many chances, a charmer. But before move, Auntie Dora, I was blinging like yourself. You said the way you are yellow like total bleach. That's exactly how you were. But then when he got married, you see me for myself the way I'm suffering now. So it's not like I'm not even jealous about yourself. No. I just want to warn you, Kuti. At the end of the day, you will like you like this. I know you are driving. This is your car.
Yes, this is
for yourself.
Yes.
Everything for yourself.
For myself.
That's exactly what it does. He picks big people from high above sea level. Before he even met me, I used to bling. I used to be yellow. But look at myself. My suffering. Look at these nails. Look at myself. The only thing that looks good is this ring he puts me. My dear, stay clearance. For move. My dear, stay very, very clear. It's got nothing, that one. And this shampoo, I just suffered.
Hello.
What are you calling?
Hi, babe. Please, don't call me that. Please stay away from me. Don't come to my flat. Don't use my cars. Please bring back my car keys right now. It's over between us. Let's just call it quits. What is this? I said it's over between us. Yes, it's over. I'm done with you. I deserve better.
Was it move?
Yes.
Hey! Take fight! Throw him away! Leave him! He's not with it! I'm suffering! My dear suffering!
No!
Just take another China to take everything. Even that bed you see is moving with. It was mine. He took it from me.
No.
Now I'm suffering. Stay away from my husband.
Thank you.
Stay clearance.
Oh, thank you.
Stay very, very clearance.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hey.
You won't call him tomorrow.
I won't.
The day after tomorrow you won't call him.
It's over.
The day after you won't call him.
Never.
Thank you. Thank you, Rejoice. Travel proper.
Thank you, mate.
Go well. Let me close the door for you.
Thank you, mate.
No, let me close it. No. Let me close it. Thank you. Drive safely. Drive safely.